Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another West Wing vid. It is Jake here. This is crazy. I have a lot of new subscribers on the channel, and they're all coming over from Josh, aka Pig Patrol's channel, and I cannot thank him enough. We were messaging each other, and he took me out fishing, did a little spillway fishing. So kind enough to let me go fishing with him, and it was awesome. I had a great time, and I hope we get to go fishing again soon. So I just want to thank Josh and everyone who has came to the channel and subscribed. I love you guys. You guys are awesome, and I hope you guys stick around for more. I'm continuing to learn and grow with this whole YouTube thing, and same with fishing. Now in this video you guys are about to watch, I actually caught my very first fish ever on a John boat, so I'm super pumped for you guys to watch this video. Me and my coworker, my buddy Nick, we went out and slayed them, so you guys are gonna have to stick around, watch, and see what we hook into. So I'm gonna show you guys that footage right now.
What's going on?
How's it going, man?
It's going pretty good. Bright and early.
Yeah, no kidding. I'm
Got
on
her all
like
good to go?
3.5 hours of sleep. Yeah.
I'm running on an hour. I could not go to bed.
Caught a 5.03 on a swim jig. Yeah, I got him.
So is that the one that's across the road in that little pond, or is it still connected to this?
Yeah, it's still
oh, it
connected
is?
to this
Okay.
side, yeah.
That's what I like to hear. All right, guys, I'm starting off with a green pumpkin swim jig. Buddy Nick's throwing a swim jig too. Ultra clear water. What'd you say, about 2 feet?
3 feet of visibility.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I just got hit. Gosh dang it. Oh, here's one. Yep. Oh, it came. Oh, my bad. Yeah, it was a small little guy. Hanging out right up that grass edge right there. Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, what the heck's going on? Did you get one? Heck yeah. Is it a decent one? You want me to grab it?
I'm just gonna flip him.
Okay.
John.
That's a beauty. That's what I'm talking about, bud.
Hell yeah. Nice little like
There we go.
15, 16 incher.
Heck
Not
yeah.
bad.
Man, it sure does feel good to be out on a boat, though.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I love it. Nice one.
It's fighting pretty good.
I'll take it.
Heck yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a healthy looking fish.
Yeah, it is.
Nick's hooked up on a second.
See how.
Nice little largie. You get a weight on?
Yeah, I'll get a link at
Link.
least. Just right at about 17.
17. All right, sweet man. Killing
Yeah.
it. Freaking killing it.
Skinny, dude.
Nick with number 3. Yeah, it is.
So skinny.
Dude, that's a nice fish if it's spawn.
Yeah.
Oh, I had a bite. I wasn't even paying attention. I was watching you. Oh no. Oh, I have one. What the heck? That was weird. I didn't even feel the bite. Yeah, get up here. Yeah, dude. All these fish would be nice if it was pre-spawn or pre-spawn spawn. All right, guys, first fish of the day on the Blacklist Baits swim jig. And if you want one of these swim jigs, use code WOA15 to get 15% off. That's money right there. Alrighty. That's another super long fish. There she goes. Oh, I got hit right as it went down in the water.
Feel like a decent one?
Feels all right. Nope.
There you go.
That is the first fish on the underspin. Let's go. This dude's got a funky mouth. Look at that.
Yeah, he's been caught.
You think that guy's been caught, guys? Yeah. All right. Back in the slop he goes. And you got one.
Look at that little squeak.
Tiny little guy.
Number 6.
Number 6 for Nick. He's killing it. All right, guys. Nothing on the Bandito bug. We're going to the spinning gear. Throwing the little Ned. That was a terrible first cast. I always got to get used to the spinning gear again when I'm throwing the bait caster. Yeah. There's one. Yep, first cast with the Ned. Oh, that was a cool little jump. Oh well. First cast with the Ned rig.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Wow. You know what they say when the bite gets tough? Just toss the Ned. Oh, I thought I just had another bite.
Now, you can fit 3 people on here if you want.
There's one, guys. Get up here. Here we go. Ned rig getting it done. Oh, we choked it. Woo! Good old bass with some little lettuce right there. That is, I lost track. Was that fish number 3 for me? Oh, look at his eye, guys. Oh my gosh. He's blind. I'm trying to catch up. I don't, what am I at? Only 3 right now? You're at 6? I've lost 3 too though, so. See if I can get one on first cast right over here. Without getting it. Oh, it's so bright.
Yeah, it is. Sun's killing me.
I have sunglasses too. What the hell am I doing? Oh, jeez. Oh my God. I watched him come up and swipe at it. It's a tiny little guy.
He must be loaded, dude.
I think it is. With all these other little stumps kind of surrounding it. And makes for some good cover.
We've gotten bit every time we come through.
Yeah. That was pretty cool to watch that happen. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry. I don't mean to be in your way. All right, tiny little guy. Fish loaded by this tree, guys. We've had bites every time we've passed this. There's got to be something hanging out over by the dock or bridge. Yep. There we go. That's number 5. Chill, bud. Chill, bud. Fish number 5. Another little squeaker, though. We better, dude. All right, guys. Deadly Nedley. Getting it done again. That's what I'm talking about. We just doubled up. Hell yeah. There we go. I lost track of how many that is. Was it 6? Am I on 6 now?
Yeah, you're on.
Yeah, 6. All right. Fish number 6. There's one. Oh, that's the smallest one of the day. Wow, it's a baby. He's freaking out. He's never been caught before. He's like, what the hell is going on? Got some cool colors on him though. Little baby guy. There he goes. Yes. That's where that 5-pounder is that you're looking for. Yeah.
At least we didn't get skunked, man.
No. All right, Nick. Appreciate you having me.
Yeah, no problem. Next time.
Gabe?
Gabe.
Yeah. Nice meeting you, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
Nice to meet you as well.
Fish again sometime
Yep.
soon. So.
Every
down.
weekend I'm ready. I'm always available.
Oh yeah.
All it takes is like 6 hours to charge the battery and we're good to go.
Really?
Yep. Oh yeah.
All right. Woo! Alrighty, folks. We are back at home, done fishing for the day. We got out on the water about 6:30, so we got on a good morning bite. It is now about 10:30. This is my first boat fishing video. I'm super pumped to get this out for you guys. I have a lot of new subscribers coming over from Pig Patrol's channel, and I just want to welcome all of you to the Westo Angling fam, and hopefully we can continue to grow this channel. And I just like taking you guys along on my fishing adventures and whatever else I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and hopefully you guys stick around for more. So I hope you all have a great day. Hopefully you guys get out and get to catch some fish, because there ain't nothing better than that. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.